Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming mice you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Corsair Darkstar is a feature-rich mouse designed for MMO and MOBA gamers. It boasts 15 programmable buttons, including a 6-button side cluster, offering extensive customization for in-game controls. Powered by the Corsair Marksman 26K DPI optical sensor, it ensures precise tracking and rapid response. Connectivity options include ultra-fast slipstream wireless and Bluetooth, with up to 80 hours of battery life. Its ergonomic lightweight design supports comfortable palm grips, while RGB lighting adds aesthetic flair. Configurable via Corsair iQ software, the Darkstar delivers exceptional performance, making it a top choice for demanding gaming enthusiasts. The Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro is a high-performance gaming mouse designed for competitive gamers, emphasizing speed, precision, and comfort. Its ultra-lightweight design enhances rapid movement and control, while the Razer Focus Pro 30K optical sensor delivers exceptional tracking accuracy and responsiveness. Featuring HyperSpeed wireless technology, it ensures minimal latency, and Gen 3 optical switches offer durability and fast inputs. Ergonomically crafted for right-handed users, it supports extended gaming sessions comfortably. With up to 90 hours of battery life, onboard memory for custom profiles, customizable RGB lighting, and 5 programmable buttons, the DeathAdder V3 Pro combines advanced features and functionality to elevate gaming performance. The SteelSeries Aerox 9 is a lightweight gaming mouse tailored for MMO and MOBA gamers, offering a honeycomb shell design for durability and reduced fatigue. It features 18 customizable buttons, including a 12-button side panel, ideal for complex commands. The TrueMove Air optical sensor ensures precise tracking with up to 18,000 dpi and a 1000 Hz polling rate. With dual connectivity options, 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5, it offers up to 180 hours of battery life. The Aqua Barrier IP54 rating protects against dust and splashes, while customizable RGB lighting and SteelSeries engine software allow for personalized aesthetics and functionality. The Logitech G502 X Plus is a premium gaming mouse, advancing the legacy of the G502 series with cutting-edge features tailored for competitive gamers. It introduces Lightforce hybrid optical mechanical switches for speed and tactile feedback, a Hero 25K sensor with up to 25,600 dpi for precise tracking, and lightspeed wireless technology for ultra-low latency. The mouse features customizable LightSync RGB lighting with active play detection, 13 programmable buttons, and a dual-mode scroll wheel. With up to 140 hours of battery life, onboard memory for 5 profiles, and PowerPlay compatibility, it offers unparalleled performance, versatility, and ergonomic design for extended gaming sessions. The Asus ROG Chakram X Origin is a high-performance gaming mouse offering precision and customization for gamers. It features tri-mode connectivity, allowing users to choose between wired USB, wireless 2.4 GHz RF, or Bluetooth. The ROG AIM.36000 dpi optical sensor ensures precise tracking, while the mouse supports up to 8000 Hz polling rate in wired mode. It includes 11 programmable buttons, a detachable joystick, and customizable switches for a personalized gaming experience. The mouse also boasts 114 hours of battery life, RGB Aura Sync lighting, and smooth glide performance with minimal drag, making it ideal for competitive gaming.